Hi, and welcome to our investment presentation, Sharks. This afternoon, we will be getting into our business proposal, Sing and Study, and I hope you find our app to be as useful and as exciting as we do. So what we will be discussing. First is our new application, Sing and Study, the purpose of our app, the target audience, the business plan, and then the projected ROI. Now Shin will be talking to you about why you should choose Sing and Study.
According to the ECAR, 95% of undergraduate students own a laptop or a smartphone. We saw potential in this number and built an app called Sing and Study. Our application allows for investors to earn residual revenue while also playing a major role in aiding future generations to accomplish degrees.
What exactly is Sing and Study? Sing and Study is an app that has created an innovative way of learning. Basically, it's similar to if you took TikTok and Quizlet and combined them together. What you do is you type in all the information that you need to study for specifically, and then that data is going to get sent into a song generator, thus creating your new study material. So what we look for in employees at Sing and Study is to ensure the success of our company, we're looking for people who can do both the person-job fit and person-organization fit. According to Kramer and Beazle, when you have both, your company is more likely to have satisfied employees. So for person-job fit, we want people who can do their job adequately and in a timely manner, but we also want people to be as passionate about our organization as we are, therefore being the person-organization fit. And then Sam is going to talk about our next slide.
Continually, we will be discussing our management style, which pertains to human resources. By using human resources within our organization, it will help our high-tech employees and managers more efficiently and effectively, which will result in creative and innovative ideas for our app. A conflict that may rise is there are any social relationships between employees and managers. If any social relationships develop within the organization, it may lead to bias and favoritism within the workplace. In order to face these conflicts, appointments may be scheduled for any and all social, professional, and/or personal issues between employees and managers. If other conflicts should arise, employees are recommended to file a complaint to the human resource manager. A company that practices similar management tactics is Quizlet, uses positive reinforcement within its organization, such as encouraging of ideas and feedback, and valuing transparency and teamwork. So moving on, we will discuss our communication channels, in which we chose a combination of upward and lateral communication. By using upward and lateral communication, our managers will be transparent about our performance goals, about how to accomplish a task, and any issues related to it, and it will be able to maintain equality among coworkers. An issue that may arise are power differentials among coworkers. To face this conflict, quality circles can be formed and reduce and recognize that no department is above others. Some managers with TikTok utilizes involvement to encourage teamwork in order to maximize and performance goals. And now Landon will be taking over.
Thank you. So something that's important to us as a company is having an adaptable work environment. Our app design requires use of new technologies such as machine learning and AI, which means that we need to be ready to implement new tools at a moment's notice. So to go with this, as both employees and as our new customer base, we're looking for early adopters of new innovations. So to help with this, we need to maintain an active social media presence. Like Simon Sinek said in his TED Talk, the majority of people won't try something until they've seen someone else try it first. So getting our brand out there will help us reach that 15 to 18% market penetration we need to get the majority of people using this. All right, so there's some harmful norms that we're going to be trying to avoid as an organization. Just with the nature of our product, much of the work to be done will be online through software development. So there's some possible non-work conflicts that can come from this, such as time-based conflicts. There's norms such as technology and ideal worker. And all of this tying together, we're just looking to avoid work overload on our employees, like a lot of startup companies struggle with. So we're just trying to make sure that we don't expect employees to be on call 24/7 or to put the work in front of their families or anything like that. And to elaborate more on this, Shin's going to be talking more about our culture in the following slide.
At Sing and Study, we will display company images in the building to remind our employees of the value of our company. However, the biggest value to us is our employees and the customers. We will cherish our employees as much as we care about our customers. At Sing and Study, we do not tolerate any negligence at workplace. On the other hand, we really care about the opinions from all employees. To collect the opinions, it is important to improve the communication environment for workers by not building a concrete and strict hierarchy in this company. We believe that good interaction among the workers will lead us to the success. The first thing we would like to avoid is upward distortion. At Sing and Study, we want to make sure that all employees share the truthful information to their supervisors. Ultimately, we also hope our employees show support to each other both physically and emotionally. To avoid the miscommunication, we will conduct a random and anonymous survey to collect the untold issues and suggestions. We will immediately work on to solve the issues that are reported repeatedly. Huntington will discuss communication and decision-making at our company next.
Thank you, Shin. So within our organization, we are going to be using the vigilant interaction theory. This theory suggests that effective decision-making groups address 4 important communication activities. According to Kramer and Bissell, the 4 activities are addressing the problem, deciding what we want to achieve, evaluating the choices available, and finally, focusing on the both positive and negative possibilities. At Sing and Study, we follow this theory because it allows employees to be individual without the effect of groupthink. Groupthink is a decision-making process in which highly cohesive groups make poor decisions due to a number of errors in the decision-making process. With Sing and Study's decision-making process in place, we can overcome any challenge that is presented to us. Communication and conflict. So business is bound to have conflict. With many of our employees doing a majority of their work from home, intrapersonal conflict is a problem we encounter often. Intrapersonal conflict are the expectations that are set for ourselves by ourselves. This hinders our employees from allowing themselves to complete work efficiently because they feel they have too much on their plate. Overcoming our conflict. At Sing and Study, our employees' health and ability to perform at their highest level is extremely important to our mission. We try and aid the concept of interpersonal conflicts by always having an open door policy and allowing a reasonable time to complete both personal and work-related tasks. We believe in hearing from our employees, and if the concern is workload, we set meetings and brainstorm with individuals on how to disperse work appropriately. The investment we are seeking is $832,000. This allocation of money will provide for the following. You can see this in the animations below. Projected ROI. We project to have 2.2 million downloads within our first year. This app is completely free to use, however, and the users have an option to upgrade to a premium account for $1 a month. We project that of the 2.2 million downloads we should see 650,000 users upgrading their accounts to premium. Ads will be our next income earners, and they actually gross the most profit, which is approximately $3 million annually. So overall, our company plans to lead this new expedition in the technology and studies sector. And with your help, you can make this dream of ours a reality. So come sing with us. Thank you for your time.